Hi guys, welcome back to our second video. Today we are gonna learn how to make guacamole, but it's not a typical guacamole. Pibil Columbus makes it with watermelon and ginger, so stick around. Ingredients for this super tasty guacamole. Well, of course you need avocados. I'm using 2 avocados today. And you need cilantro, white onion, pepper. In this case I'm using serrano. You need some chunks of watermelon, and a piece of ginger, and lime juice, of course. So again, the ingredients for this guacamole, we used avocados, cilantro, I used serrano peppers, a little bit of ginger, chopped watermelon, white onion, and cilantro, and just a pinch of salt. And there you have it. So this guacamole is perfect for your next party. For example, for the Super Bowl. You put a bowl of this with a bowl of chips, and I guarantee you that it's gonna go really, really fast because it's super, super tasty. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned because we're gonna make some more videos for you guys. Adios.